Yes.
Do you like the soup?
Nami kaayo.
Hello everyone! Nanapod mi ang inyong feeling vlogger nga gamay rag follower. For today's video is magluto ako ng madali ang pagkain kasi may may work ako mamaya. So, ang lulutuin ko pa sa mga anak ko ay itong instant noodles na soup. Yan. Lucky Me chicken soup. So, lalagyan ko lang to ng itlog, tsaka sibuyas dahon. Kayo, masarap na yung ito yung lulutuin ko. So, tingnan natin kung magustuhan nila. First time kong luto. First time ko silang lutuan ng instant noodles. So, let's see their reaction. Ayan. Ayan na yung instant noodle chicken soup na may egg, tsaka may sibuyas dahon. So, ayan. Ready na. Papakain ko na to sa kanila. Ay, hindi pa pala ready. Hindi pa luto yung egg yolk na. Okay. So, ayan na. Ready na yung natin. Yung noodle soup. Oh. Yan. Lagyan ko ng itlog. Tsaka ng sibuyas dahon. Ayan. So, masarap naman siya tingnan. So, let's see kung magustuhan nila. First time kasi nakakain ng instant noodles. Yeah, it's too hot.
Too hot.
Ayan, kakainin na nila.
Maybe that's the reason why I was staying upstairs. Here. It's fine now.
Okay, come here. Is it nice?
Yes, very nice.
You sure?
Yeah, I love the noodles. I love these type of noodles. Are the best. My favorite noodles. But it's a bit too
No,
long.
that's instant noodles. It's not the fresh one.
I know, but I still like them. It's my favorite noodles.
Yeah. So first time lang kakain ng instant noodles na sabaw. Ang lagi ko kasing niluluto sa kanilang noodle soup is yung bihon. Nalagyan ko ng sabaw. So ngayon, first time nakakain ng
This is so tasty.
instant noodles kasi yung asawa kong Greek, ayaw niya ng yung mga tawag dito, yung mga nakapakete na noodles na na instant noodles kasi yung mga Greek, sila sa pagdating sa pagkain gusto nila yung freshly made tsaka fresh na pagkain. Ganyan kasi mga Greek. Freshly prepared pala.
Okay.
Freshly prepared and freshly cooked na pagkain. Kaya ngayon wala asawa ko, nandun sa work niya. Ayan, lutuan ko sila ng instant noodles. May kasi din ako, may work ako mamaya. Kaya yung madali ang pagkain na lang. So after this, pupunta na ako sa sa trabaho ko. Na, Jackie! Do you like it? Sure?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like instant noodles?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very delicious. Yeah. It's also too hot. It's cookies
What?
noodles.
Cookie tasty?
Jackie.
How can you compare it to the cookies? Cookies is sweet. So, ayun, nagustuhan nila yung instant noodles na chicken na Lucky Me noodles.
Cookies.
So, which one is better? The instant one or the fresh bihon? The bihon. Or the same?
No. They're both, I like them both. Me too. I can't pick because they're both very delicious. Which one was the fresh bihon? The fresh bihon is the egg noodles.
The fresh is fresh. That one is instant. Like you just put water on it to boil, then just mix it up all together, then it's ready.
So that's really simple.
The sotanghon one, you need to cut all the meat. You need to cook the noodles and everything. You have to make it freshly prepared. So because your papa is not here, that's why I cooked that one.
Yes.
So it's usually only for me. But I have to go to work, so I have to do the quicker food.
No. But this yummy.
Yummy.
I'm gonna eat some too. You should join in.
No, I don't like eating in the morning. In the lunchtime, I only eat in the nighttime.
Okay.
I just had my coffee.
Okay.
So, ayan, nagustuhan nila yung noodles. Instant noodles ng Filipino instant noodles. Ayun.
Yes.
Do you like the soup?
Nami kaayo.
What?
Cookie tasty.
What you said?
Maybe just try to speak Filipino.
Oh, okay. I'll teach you.
It's a Japanese food or
No,
not?
It's a Filipino noodles, instant noodles.
Oh,
Filipino or Filipino.
Yeah. Yummy, yummy. Say masarap.
Masarap.
Yes, masarap. Eat faster, Jackie. I need to go to work. Si Cassie, oh, malapit na matapos.
You finish it so quickly.
Yeah. Si Philly naman. May anong kalahati pa. Itong si Jackie, ang bagal kumain.
I only finished halfway.
Amo bata.
Maybe Cassie's helping her eat.
Are you helping Jackie to eat, Cassie?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because she's very slow.
Mommy, Cassie stole my noodles.
Cassie stole your noodles. Uh-oh. You need to eat faster so Cassie won't steal your noodles. Okay.
The soup is nice.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Yummy. Instant noodles daw, yummy. Pero hindi naman siya healthy.
What?
Okay lang. Ngayon lang naman. Oh, Jackie, eat faster. Cassie will steal your noodles. Cassie is nearly finished. Lakas kumain to pangalawang anak ko. Puribuyan.
I'm finished, and it's my first time eating Filipino noodle. It's a noodle soup, and it was very delicious. I agree.
You agree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love it a lot.
Yeah, you love it, but it's not healthy.
This is my new favorite noodle. I still like pancit too, and the other one, the udon noodles.
Okay. It's alright.
This is really delicious. The soup, it was very nice, and the noodles was very enjoyable. I really loved it. The egg made it better.
Yeah. Masarap naman talaga pag instant noodles kasi may mga ano niya sila. May mga hinahalo na mga ano artificial thing. Oh.
Even though I don't like egg, it was very delicious.
I love egg.
You don't like egg?
I like
But it was very delicious because I couldn't taste the egg.
Sure are you? Keep eating egg before?
I don't like Cassie. I don't like
I
egg.
like egg.
Yeah, I know. Your egg is your favorite.
I like egg too. I only like sunny side up egg.
Okay.
What do you mean?
Why you keep stealing Jackie's food?
Because it's yummy and my favorite noodle.
Tatala. Ayan. Yung pagkain ng kapatid niya, lagi niyang kinukuha. Come on, Jackie. Cassie is finished. Come on. Eat faster. Cassie will eat your food.
I think I'm finished now.
Finish?
Yeah.
Is it?
I think I should just drink my soup now.
Drink your soup.
I want to drink soup.
Yeah, drink your soup. Nice.
Yeah.
Ito yung lunch nila. Lunch nila for today. Tapos pag uwi ko mamaya, lulutuan ko naman sila ng dinner nila. Ay no, hindi pala. Bibili na lang ako ng dinner nila.
The soup is a bit too salty, but it's still very nice.
Yeah, it's salty. That's the instant noodles is salty.
Okay.
Yeah, tastes nice because of the artificial thing.
Okay.
But before, when I was young, I always eat that because we cannot afford to buy this what you call this?
Fresh one?
Fresh one, yeah. I always eat instant noodles,
Okay.
but I'm still healthy. They say it's not healthy, but I always eat that when I was young, and I'm still healthy. So maybe it depends on the.
Excuse me.
When did you burp?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Quietly.
Because my mother, she always, when we eat that soup, she puts some fresh vegetable thing in it. Like malunggay. You know the malunggay thing?
No.
Oh, no. Like the alugbati. It's like a spinach. Yeah.
Okay.
That's old one.
So maybe that's why we're
Can we
still
have a
healthy.
Filipino dessert?
Egg.
Yeah, I'm gonna cook later when I come back home. I'm gonna cook some Maha Blanca.
Yay.
Yeah.
That was very delicious. I enjoyed it so much.
Yung kapatid niya, tapos na. Ito si Jackie. Nakalahati pa. Late na ako sa work. Jackie, faster. To go to work na. I'm late. You want me to feed you?
No.
No? You want to do it by yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good girl. Why you don't eat your egg? You said you like egg. Eat your egg.
Up.
Oh. Yummy, yummy.
No.
Yum. Eat your egg.
Noodles.
Noodles.
I am finished.
Wow, good girl. Oh, wow. You ate it all. Good girl. Only sabaw left. Is it nice? Is it nice? Is it nice?
Yes.
Yeah. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah, wow. Good girl. Okay. I'm gonna wash the dishes now and I'm going to work. Okay?
Okay. Can't eat the ice cream now.
Go eat your ice cream. Come on. Shout out kay Ernesto Cortezo from Batang, Southern Leyte. Thank you so much, Ernesto Cortezo, sa panonood ng mga videos namin. And shout out sa aking kaibigan na si Jeremy Bacos from Cebu. Hello, Ang. Kumusta, Ang? I love you, Ang. So, maraming salamat sa mga nanonood. At maraming salamat sa mga nag-subscribe na sa amin. At saka sa hindi pa nag-subscribe, please subscribe nyo yung channel namin. And please like our video. Maraming salamat. Bye!